Most travel guides will give you lists of things to do in a destination, but often the what not to do's are just as important considerations. Here are 10 things not to do in Mexico. 1. Don't drink the water. Beyond resorts and restaurants that use purified water filtration systems, don't drink the water. Stick to bottled H2O. You should brush your teeth with bottled water too. And for your information, Cancun's hotel zone has a state-of-the-art water filtration system, but not many other places in Mexico do. 2. Don't forget the ice drinks may be a bit iffy too. Be wary of crushed ice cubes and tap-water produce as much as drinking water, unless you want to spend your vacation nursing tummy troubles. 3. Don't underestimate the chilies. Cooks have to wear gloves when handling these babies. And even if you do dose on the hot sauce back home, go easy on the Mexican chilies until you know you can handle the heat. 4. Don't expect everyone to speak English. Duh, it's a Spanish-speaking country and not everyone is in the tourist industry. Get a guidebook or app and learn how to ask for directions, order food and be polite in the local language. Por favor. 5. Don't expect service standards to be just like back home. Things are a little more laid back and tranquilo. In Mexico, the country runs on Mexican time, so pad your schedule to accommodate delays and take it easy. 6. Don't take the first price offered in a market. Let the merchant offer an opening price, then counter with a number close to half of that. You'll go back and forth until you settle on a mutually agreed amount. 7. Don't forget to carry small bills. Mexican merchants don't always carry a floater of small change, so don't get caught out with only big bills in your pocket, or you may be out of luck when wanting to make a minor purchase. 8. Don't do drugs. It's guilty until proven innocent down there, and they can let you rot in a cell for a long time. Sentences of 25 years and heavy fines are not unheard of. 9. Don't expect the waiter to bring you the bill. Waiters in Mexico will wait for you to ask for the bill rather than present it to you after you've finished your dessert and coffee. 10. Don't expect to find toilet seats outside of tourist areas. You'll be presented with the standard porcelain rim, but not the flip-down seat that makes the process all the more comfortable. Something to remember when you're afflicted with Montezuma's revenge.